Stove-Brite High Temperature Paint is the trusted solution for restoring and customizing stoves, fireplaces, and other high heat surfaces, offering both exceptional durability and heat resistance up to 1200 Fahrenheit. Perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals alike, this premium paint line is specifically formulated to withstand extreme temperatures without peeling, blistering, or fading. With quick-drying performance and excellent adhesion, it's designed to provide a long-lasting, professional-looking finish. For best results, use it alongside the Stove-Brite Paint Prep and Cleaner to ensure the surface is clean and ready before painting. Available in a wide range of colors to suit any style, from classic flat or satin black to vibrant options like Patriot Blue, Mojave Red, and Forest Green. Stove-Brite lets you match or refresh your appliance with ease. Whether you're aiming for a traditional, modern, or bold look, our extensive color selection ensures there's a perfect shade for your project.